Do you have a business website and you might be worried that in today's age where people are literally so impatient, they won't even wait in line with 3 people in it, that your website isn't loading fast enough, so people are bouncing off of your webpage? Well, HubSpot has got you covered with their free website grader. Now, this is what we're looking at here. This is the website grader. The link is down below in the description. However, if you type in HubSpot website grader into Google search, it should come up close to the top. But this is a free tool for you to use at any time, meaning that you could use it and then also fix your website and then test it again. So for today's experiment, we're actually going to use my equestrian homepage because while I am a business consultant, I am also an internationally competitive equestrian, and my horse does have a website. So I am curious how it's going to do. Ooh, it's good. All right. I can live with that. So it looks like it's good, but there is some room for improvement here. So it looks like my performance is not doing so hot, but the rest of it looks really good. So this is that is the page of the website. So you'll know that you're not actually looking at the right thing if your website doesn't actually pop up on the top. So as you can see, the performance is where I can definitely improve. So looks like I can, there are a lot of pictures on the website, so this makes sense. Looks like my website makes way too many HTTP requests, so I'm gonna have to work on that. Looks like also that it's maybe a little bit slow in terms of loading speed. So that was something I was saying is nobody's going to wait for this website's all these images to load. So I can definitely make the images smaller. But as you can see, there is a lot of things that it's giving me advice on how to fix. But what's interesting is once I go back and make these updates, then I can come back and see if my score has changed. And you can do the same thing for your website here. And it does check mobile as well. Looks like I aced the mobile test, but I failed the browser test. So I hope this has helped. If you thought this video was helpful to make sure your website is optimized, then you're really going to enjoy the video where I show you how to then track all of the website visitors, and if you have a blog or your social media, how to actually track all of your visitors in one convenient location. And the best part, you can post on social media without ever having to log into social media. So if you think that is interesting, then go ahead and click on this next video because you're not going to want to miss it. Should be like right here. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.